Hi guys! So today's video is going to be a little bit different. Sorry about the quality. I'm using my computer for this video because I don't have my camera set up or anything. But I'm redoing my slime collection. So let's just get on with it. Okay, so the first slime I have is this one. It's a green color. It's really nice. I'm not going to do taking out of the thing because that's going to take up a lot of time because I'm already almost a minute in. Okay, I was putting it the wrong way. Oh crap. On my table? No! Okay. I have this same kind of color. Not only that satisfying, it's you make it thick, but some of them are being worn out because I haven't played with them in a while. So I have this yellow one, which is tremendously super sticky, so I'm not going to touch that one because that's super sticky. Then I have another color like this, and there's a piece of fork. Okay. And this one I really like. It's really satisfying. So it's smooth and silky. It's amazing. I don't know. This container is dented. Can you ignore it? So I have to put that one by itself. Then I have this pink one. Well, it was pink. And I have some beads in there, but it wore out of its color, so it's you ready? Then I have this green one with the beads in it as well. Then I have this other one that has the beads in it, and it's a blue one. And it's really fun to play with. But it's pretty sketchy though, it's weird. I don't want to get on my sweater. Then I have this purple white one, and this one's also really sticky. Right? Is it sticky? Yeah, it's super sticky, just like the yellow one, so. My thing, so I cannot make these slime fall. Okay. Then I have this yellow one. Looks really pink on camera. This one is so watery. It's disgusting. It's gross. And then I have this pink one. Really big. I combined two of them. You guys ready? I'm gonna only do ASMR with a couple of them. I don't know. I'm just weird like that. I really like ASMR, so. Then I have this glitter purple slime. It's hollow, and it's really bubbly. Well, the thing is that's really it's really stretchy, I can tell you that, but it's really thick. It has a thick capacity to it. Then I have this slime. It's a gray blue tone. And it has beads, and it's a fishbowl, kind of, like a fishbowl 2.0. Ready for this ASMR? I don't know if it's going to be ASMR, but yeah. The beads, they get really loose. But it's super satisfying and soothes me, so it's yes, praise. Oh, by the way, I'm putting all the slimes that I showed you guys already over there. So then I have this one. They're a pretty blue color. It's so pretty actually. It's gorgeous. It's really thick and it smells like mint. I don't know why it's not like mint. I put probably the mint essentials. Then I have this pink one. And like it has like these color beads in it that I put. But it's like purple, like super like crunchy, like amazing. So it's like. Then I have this one. This one was the first time I've ever made. So I want to do like an ASMR of it. But first I had to like let it sit out for a little bit. This one is not the sticky one. I have a really sticky one that I'm not touching. Alright, this one I'm going to do an ASMR of this one. You ready? Not that satisfying than I thought it would be. But, I don't know. This video is so long and I haven't even done anything. Okay, let's just take these 5. Then I have this really small one. It's a mint. Oh god. No, not on my nails. No. It's really small though, but it's like super satisfying, I think. Like, it should be super stretchy. I don't know why it's not. It would have been satisfying if I played with it more, but I don't. I don't really play with half my slimes. This one is the really sticky one that nobody ever plays with. This is a sticky situation maker. I have this one that's like more so than sticky. It's sticky cringy. That's even a thing, and it's not making it up. Then this one is my favorite, I have to say, by far. Okay, everyone get ready for this amazing ASMR right here. Oh my god, that just sounds amazing. It's just so good. It's just so good. It's just amazing, yeah. And my last slime is a fail, because it's like a sponge, like a spongy consistency, like it doesn't pick up. Like, watch, I'll stretch it, and it will be so like, and it won't go back together. It will just be like particles. I don't know. So that is all I have for you guys for right now for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, give it a nice thumbs up, and yeah, bye.